Hi, Karan. Okay, guys, start with the questions.
I, Akhilesh, hello.
Yes,
Yeah, Akhilesh, I have one basic question in this Excel. I think somebody is talking the background noise.
guys, mute yourself. If you are not participating in the discussion, please mute yourself. Ranga. Okay. Now, who was asking question? Please unmute. Please unmute yourself and ask the question.
Now screen is visible.
Yes, Ranga.
Okay, this is see when I'm using this new Excel in this new office, it is this VLOOKUP or pivot is coming properly. When I'm using the office laptop, sometimes it is giving error. It is a error or my operation is not correct. See example of this one. I'm just showing you. Just I did this. When I'm copying some data from one column to other column, it says you cannot copy on the same. It is not on the same size, something like that. Okay, I really don't know whether it is my example. I will just tell you. I'm just trying to copy this. I'm trying to paste it here. It says we cannot just paste. Sometimes it happens. I don't know whether it is what is the
Nice.
right way to.
How many cells did you copy?
I just copied this entire thing.
So then you should paste it in the entire thing, right?
I didn't get. See, I just
So when you are
uh,
copying it, either start when you are copying the full column, you should start pasting from the first cell itself.
okay. Okay, so okay. You mean to say from where I'm starting, from there only I have to.
The thing is, you copied the column
Yeah.
and minus mute yourself. Tulsiram, everyone who is not participating in the discussion, please mute yourself and unmute yourself whenever you want to ask your question. So, Ranga, what I was saying that when you copied column A, there
Yeah.
are 1 million rows roughly, 1 million
Okay.
48,000, something like that.
Okay. Okay.
When you are pasting, you started from the second cell. That means you reduce the range by
Range.
now it is not having enough space or the same space which you copied to
Okay.
paste.
So if
That is,
okay, so you mean to say I have to copy this and paste it in the same cell, then
yes.
it will take. Okay, but in the big Excel sheets and all, sometimes what happens when we are doing when we are
So
putting that it
ideally,
is
not copy the full column. Always focus on the data which you want and copy paste that much.
so you mean to say I have to select only this
Control shift
much?
down, control shift down, control shift down.
Yeah.
Now it selects. So you need only 148 lines, but you are
Okay.
handling 1 million for handling those 148, right?
Okay,
You're
but
copying.
okay. So when we are putting the same thing is happening because my Excel is become slow. I think the example is that here what I did for inserting this one, I just put like this. That's why it is taking the entire sheet.
You have taken maybe 1,000 columns and 1 million lines.
Okay, okay.
Cells you are formatting. So it
So
will,
that's why it is becoming slow. So
yes, focus,
then
always do actions on your targeted data, which is your important data. Only do things on that. Okay.
control shift select data.
Yes.
This
If
this, this is
you
the
have access to our Excel course, and in that there is a bonus toward the end. Watch
yeah.
those videos. There are shortcuts on the selection,
Okay, okay,
and they will
okay,
help you how to select each and
okay,
everything from beginning. They are guiding you.
Okay. Thanks. And I have one more question. In this, when we are doing a pivot in the this office, what I am using, it is coming properly. Okay. When I am using the old Excel, there the data is not coming properly. Sometimes what happens, it will all the three lines will come in the same row. So if I want to move that, is there any shortcut key instead of going align something like that?
See the problem what you are facing, then only I will be able to guide you correct.
Okay.
Because
Okay,
currently,
I
yes, what problem you are facing.
okay. I will try to show. Let that others
Take a
ask the
photo
question.
and take a screenshot or share the Excel file with us during the session itself.
Okay,
Next
thank you,
person, please.
thank you.
Next person. Stop sharing.
Hi, Akhilesh.
Hi, Vikas.
Vikas here. Vikas here. Can I share the screen?
Sure.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I wanted to, find the difference between the dates. This is the invoice date and this is today's date. So, I wanted to find the number of days, but I'm getting a error.
How did you type today's date?
Pardon?
How did you type today's date? Am I audible now?
I just entered.
How
Yeah,
did you
yeah, yeah.
enter?
I
How did
just entered manually.
why did
I
you enter?
entered it manually.
Why did you enter manually? Have you gone through our first video?
No.
Now that's the problem. There is enormous knowledge there in the resources which you have give which we have given to you, and you are not using it. Type control semicolon. The date which you have typed is wrong. Type control semicolon there. Control and semicolon. Press these two keys. Enter.
Yeah.
Press enter.
Yeah, it changed now.
So did you see the difference?
Yes.
The first video in the course talks about how you should type your dates. Okay, so go and watch those videos.
Yeah.
Do not sit on those things. Next question.
And is there a formula wherein when I open the Excel, it should means take the current date automatically?
Yes, I think someone recently pasted it in the chat box also. Today function will help you in that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Ram Gopal has suggested a function so that you can use equal today. Next one. Next person, guys. Vikas, you're done or any other doubts?
Yes, done.
Okay, thank you. Next question. No question?
So
That's it?
can I ask question related to Power BI?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. I started practicing Power BI, and there was a list of sheets that you shared for us to
Mhm.
practice to create a
Yeah.
dashboard, right?
Yeah.
So out of those, sir, I was able to create a dashboard, but the
Mhm.
problem is that it was just that I imported that into the BI. Like I went to get data, imported the Excel, then chose the pie chart, donut chart, and accordingly created the BI report. But sir,
Okay.
problem is that I'm not able to understand that report. I just did a, kind of a designing.
Okay. Can you share whatever you have created?
Okay, sir, I'll share it. Just one second.
Yeah. Okay. Till that time, please, if anyone is having any other question, let me know. Be ready with your questions. Don't wait for 1 minute when I'm asking what is the next question. Okay. And there is one more condition I am going to put now. If I see anyone with less than 25% of the completion, I will revoke the access of that course. Okay. If you have taken the course, if you are a new joiner, no worries, we will give you 1 week. But if you don't make use of those things, then I will remove the access. Okay.
Akhilesh, sorry to interrupt you. I've taken this course 2 weeks back. I was not getting time because of my project deadlines.
Please,
I'm
I'm okay because you are new, okay, but there are people who have joined the course and they have not started. This message is for those people. Okay.
no, I've joined 2 weeks back. I can hear background noise. Can you please?
Funny, yeah. Yes, Blaze, continue.
You have muted me instead of muting other people. Okay. So basically, I've joined 2 weeks back, but because of my
Guys, Funny, please mute yourself.
no, it's not from my end. Nobody is at my place.
Okay. Funny, okay, Funny is speaking or Blaze is speaking?
No, I'm speaking somebody else. I can hear voice from somebody. I don't know.
Okay. I thought Blaze is speaking. Okay. Funny, yes, tell me.
I've joined 2 weeks back, but as I mentioned earlier, due to my project deadlines, I'm unable to concentrate here. Just because I got time, I've attended this. Probably from next week onwards, I'll be able to start my course.
Okay. No worries about those people.
Yeah, thanks.
I am
Thanks, man.
talking about people who have joined long back
Sure,
and not yet started, and they're asking basic questions.
sure. Thanks, man.
Okay.
Okay, Akhilesh, one thing, whatever links you have provided, like week 1 training, week 2 training, I have gone through all those details. I have no
Very good.
questions. But
Very good.
I just want to check whether I have completed the full course. Initially, you have given one link where further so
Okay.
many links were
Neelam,
there. So
Neelam. Okay. Let's discuss these things separately. My message is simple. We have given you enormous resources to learn, and you guys are not utilizing them. If you don't need them, we will take it back. Simple. If you want your money back, you can take your money back also. But unless you put some efforts, the transformation is not going to happen. Clear? We are there to support you, but you need to also participate in all angles. Now, whatever you have already done, that's very good. And if you have any doubts, there is something else. Okay, my team, you can just write an email to support@datascience.com and we will try to support you if you are missing something else. There is an online platform that you can utilize. Neelam, you are part of that. Okay, so go through each and everything if you have already covered the 2 weeks. Komal, let's continue with this report. Rest of the access related questions, we will answer it on email if you have any doubts. Okay. Yes, Komal.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I just created with the step-by-step process that you guided in the video. I created this chart. Now, sir, it's just that I created like a dummy, but I really don't know what I have created. I'm just trying to understand this by the Excel that you have given. That's it.
Okay. So first of all, do not create something without any need. Okay. Understand the data, and before the data itself, let's say when I was teaching you Excel dashboard, right? During the workshop, my first question was, what are the insights or the messages which we want to convey to the audience or to yourself? What is it that you want to find? Then create things. Not, okay, I will create and then I will see, okay, is it making sense or not? So show me your data. Go to the tabular view on the left side. Left side, second icon is there. Second icon, upper one. Yeah, click on that. And click on sales. Okay, there. So now first thing which is missing is your sales data itself is not there. These are all master. These are all lookup tables. The main table, which is your sales, your transactions, your invoices, that itself is not there in this.
Okay.
And that's why it is very important to start with the questions. What do you want to create? So first go through the course, no problem. Even if you don't understand, complete the course. Okay. And then revisit. Okay. My boss is dealing with this data set. Or maybe you are dealing with that data set. Take your own business data set. What questions do you have in your business whenever you want to create? Okay. If you know those, if you start with those kind of questions, then you will get better results. Currently, this is missing the main information, which is your sales data, which was given to you. And you have taken the other file only. File number 35 you have taken. There was one more file, file number 34. Okay, so that also needs to be taken. Start with the questions. And then, okay, I want to know my sales by countries. So I need country field and the sales field. Drag those two fields in a particular chart. Maybe a column chart, maybe a bar chart, maybe a pie chart. Okay, but now you have to, now you know that what fields needs to be used, country and the sales. Currently, that thing is not clear. That's why it is not giving any results. None of the chart is giving you any useful insight.
Got it,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, also I wanted to check, sir, whenever I start to study Excel, I feel very demotivated because I'm very bad with Excel. Sir, what is the easiest way to learn Excel?
So
Sir,
first thing,
so Power BI is very interesting. I really, I'm doing Power BI more with a
because
speed, but
it's okay. So all of us were there. Okay, do not get demotivated. Even I was there. I joined my first job, and for 3 days I was doing things manually, and my boss was expecting it to be done in half an hour. Okay, so everyone goes through that stage, but that doesn't mean that you don't start. Okay, or sessions are planned in a structured way, basic things first, and then they gradually improve
yes, sir.
in terms
The
of
sessions
rigor.
are really very good. I mean, I'm just learning like a baby and it's going very nice. But
Yes.
sometimes it gets really boring for Excel, but for Power BI, it's very interesting.
ठीक है, दोनों को parallelly करो. You can do both the things parallelly.
Yes,
But
sir.
even if you are not getting anything, complete it like okay. Because the thing is, currently you are not aware what is going to come. If you stop right now, then the future things, the upcoming things you will miss. So complete each and everything. You will get yourself more aware and then restart and ask more and more questions. And unless you have problems or challenges, you will not learn. So take some data set, whatever you are facing, and then try to answer questions from that. If your boss was there, what questions he would ask you? And let's try to find those results.
Got it, sir.
And
Thank you.
and this is for everyone, guys, if you need personal one-to-one help, we can also provide that, but obviously there will be extra charges for that, but at least you will get moving. It will be need based only. Okay, so please reach back to us if that kind of situation is there. If your current level is maybe very starting level, then you would need the additional one-to-one help also. We have taken it, I have taken it initially when I was beginner. Okay, so no harm in those kind of requests also. But unless you start asking questions, things will not improve. Okay. Neelam is saying actually, okay. ठीक है, Neelam, parallelly continue this also because it will help you in your job search also. Okay.
Thank
Next question.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Actually,
Samaj.
I will sharing the screen.
Yeah. And whenever you are having any question, put it on the WhatsApp group also. There are many helpful people. They will always reply back immediately.
This P column, yes, we are using the VLOOKUP and few rows.
Click on the cell. What you are trying to do there? Click on that cell, one cell. So you are trying to do VLOOKUP based on column A. Okay. From where? HOSPU ordered tablet, HOSPLU. Where is that sheet? Is that some other Excel file?
Yes, sir.
Open that Excel file also.
Already open, sir.
I don't see it. Can you show it? Change your screen. Shuffle your screen. Or share again the whole window, because currently you are only sharing the Excel file.
Now,
Yes.
hello?
Column 4 here. This is that file, right? Column 4.
My question is that I need that the MR sheet in the NA column I need to remove this. Every time I need to write 00 on this column, because this sheet according this consumption procurement quantity is showing in this column, O column. So every time I need to remove this NA, just selecting the NA and typing
First,
0.
understand why that NA is coming.
There is another sheet. This material code is not showing. Hence, this NA is coming.
But is it not there in that other sheet?
Yes, not there.
It's not there. So that means you just want to avoid these errors, and the situation which it is showing that it is not available. That is correct, right?
Right.
Okay. So you just need to change your formula. Remove the filter. You can use Control Shift L.
Okay.
Okay. And come to the first cell.
Yes, sir.
Go to the formula bar. Go to the formula bar. After equal sign. No. Directly type in the formula bar as cancel. Okay. Go to the formula bar. And after equal sign, don't remove anything. Don't remove anything. After equal sign, no, don't remove, undo that. Press escape. Press escape.
Now,
Undo, Control Z.
yes, sir. Control Z.
I am
This
requesting,
is
please allow. Okay. So I will first undo whatever you have done. So that will bring me the formula. Or did you save it already? Undo. Undo one more time. Okay. Control Y. Okay. So this is the formula, right? Which you have written, current formula. I am saying I don't want to see error if it is not able to find it.
yes.
So here we will use a function. Anyone, which function we will use?
If
Ram
error.
Gopal is saying if error. Ram Gopal, you need to take one session. Ram Gopal says if error, and then continue with this formula, whatever you have written. To me, it
Comma,
looks correct.
blank.
0.
So how if error works? That if
Your voice is not audible.
My voice is not audible to everyone?
Audible.
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 Okay. So if there is an error in this formula, then don't give me those errors. And after comma, I will type an alternate result. What do you want to see in case it is an error of Sambhaji?
0.
0. So type 0 here. So I'm saying if error, if there is an error in this VLOOKUP formula, then don't give me that error. Type 0. Use 0. And I'm closing this here and press enter. And now I will copy it in all the cells.
Okay.
So wherever error was coming, rather than showing error, it is giving you 0. So this is the simple tweak which you need to do in your VLOOKUP formula.
Okay, sir. Okay. And second query, sir,
Yeah.
We issued this week to sample question that there is few some ifs. There is no formula, so it is if the formula is one row is available, then it easy to understand for other
Sorry,
also.
I am not able to hear you properly. What is the question in this sheet?
Question is that this in this sheet the formula is not available. So if one row is formula is available, then we are just easy to understand.
No problem. So we will share you the file which the trainer was using in that session. Okay.
Okay, sir. Right.
Okay.
Because
And-
other this sheet
same
also.
same thing is also mentioned in our I think the courses. Okay, but okay, we will share the file. Okay, just drop a comment on that group which you are part of, and we will share the practice file with you with the answers.
Okay.
Next question. Thank you, Sambhaji. Thank you, Ram Gopal and Sumesh. Next question, guys. Rekha, Anurag, Kajal, why are you quiet today?
I'm listening, sir.
Looking like sleeping mode is active.
No. It's not like that. I got little bit of cold. So.
Okay. Fine.
Akhilesh, I have one query. Okay.
Yes, Sumesh.
Okay. So I have an Excel sheet where I need the date only Monday. Only Monday should visible. So what I did is I'll share my screen.
Sure.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Okay, so in the A column, I've just put today plus 5 day, which shows the Monday date. But when I open the next day, it will show Tuesday date. But I want only Monday and Tuesday to be visible whenever I open the sheet. So is there any formula or any?
So in the A1, you want always the Monday upcoming.
Upcoming Monday date. For this week, I mean next week when I mean next day, if tomorrow Thursday, I want to, if I open this Excel, it show only Monday, and in A2 it should be on Tuesday date. Because of this criteria, I need to run a macro for Monday and Tuesday. So if I open on Friday, it might show, if I add it plus 5, then it show different date. So is there any formula or?
Okay. Go to the cell B2. Write equal. Actually, you can write it in B1. I want to know what is the corresponding weekday to your A1. So equal weekday, and take the cell from A1. That's your Monday, right?
Yes.
Press enter. So it's the second day of the week.
Okay.
It's the second day of the
week.
Now, you just need to figure out a way that how far is my date.
Okay.
Remove the plus 5 out of that. Okay. Write in A4, somewhere in A4 or anywhere, any blank cell, equal weekday and use A1. Press enter. This is the 4th day and you are looking for 2 days. You are looking for second day of the week. This is the 4th day, current one, right?
Yes.
Now you just need to figure out an adjustment number so that you can say, I need plus 5 or maybe plus 3 or maybe something like that.
Okay, I mean A plus this 4 days or how?
Okay. Can I do it in my Excel?
Yeah, sure.
It is a logical exercise rather than function exercise.
Okay.
I will open one Excel file. But I love these kind of exercises. They will take some time, but
Yeah, I tried my best to put, but it is not working from my end. So I thought shoot this question to you
okay.
because we need to run this report on every Monday and Tuesday so that it runs accordingly. The macro runs accordingly.
No problem. We will need some time, but it will happen.
Okay.
Let's take anything.
I'll make note of it.
So here, my screen is visible.
Yes.
So I will type, let's say, equal today. And the problem is coming because today is changing every day. Okay.
Yes.
And this is which day of the week? So this is
Fourth day.
weekday. Take this and press enter. So this is the fourth day of the week. What do I need? I need second day of the week. Correct? I need always the second day of the week.
Correct.
So whatever is this number, I just need it. I need to deduct something which is less. Okay. I just need 2. So let's say if I type -2, not like that. If I type here, this minus or plus which you are doing, +5, that you need to figure out. That's the only challenge, right? But how much you will add, that you need to do.
Okay.
So what would be the second day of the week? Anyone having any suggestions on this? Anyone having any suggestions? Don't talk about formulas, just logics.
We need to define that whatever days come, like 2 comes, 3 comes, 4. So our answer should be 2. So the difference should be deducted every time, and it would be different every time. So we need to define condition if some condition, something has to be added.
Okay, little bit better logic. Okay, let's try one by one. If weekday of this cell is equal to 2, then give me this cell. That's okay. If it is already Monday, then give me Monday.
Yeah.
Otherwise, give me this plus weekday of this cell A1 plus weekday, which will be A1 plus weekday -7 minus weekday. What will be that number? 7 minus 4, that will be 3. Okay. I need to think on this, Somesh.
Okay.
This part is fine. This is also fine. We just need to figure out this portion and it will be done. But I'm sure that this is possible using a simple formula. No need for a macro.
No, not a macro because I've just entered in a sheet. So if the
Hmm.
macro need to runs, the date should be on every Monday. So
हाँ,
it
वो
will
हो
pick
जाए.
the date.
This
So
will be done. This will be
okay.
done.
Okay.
Okay.
So normally now I'm doing like every day when I open, I'll adjust
How
the
did you
date by.
decide 5? How did you decide 5?
I mean, that's why I'm saying if I open tomorrow, I'll put 4. Then it
But ठीक है, 5 कैसे आया अभी currently?
currently today is Wednesday, so plus 5 is Monday date. So I just thought. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and fifth day is Monday. So
ठीक है.
today plus 5 is equal to, it shows Monday date.
Now I think I got the result. 7 minus 4, ठीक है, plus 2. Plus 2 will always do 7 days in the week. This is the result.
Okay.
Correct? And that's what you need.
Yes.
Press enter. Let's format it. Control Shift 3. 23rd October. Is that the Monday?
Yes.
And the next one is easy.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Now let's take a random test, which is, let's take 9th here in this cell. I'm saying 9th of October. 9th of October was Monday itself.
Yes.
9th was Monday. Okay. Let's
Okay.
take 27th of October. And
Correct.
30th is correct. So I was not clear, but when I spoke to you, how you arrived at 5, so you were counting it. So whatever is left in the week, we took that. So 7 minus current weekday. So that will give you remaining part of the week. Plus we need to add the 2 because 2 is corresponding to the Monday. Right?
Okay.
I will paste this in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
So that you can use it later.
Sure. Thanks.
Yeah.
So it is weekday. Okay. We can directly write it on the A1 cell itself, right?
We can directly write it on the A1 cell.
Okay.
Rather than A1, you can use today.
Okay.
Let's say here you mention today. Close the bracket one more time. Otherwise today. Then फिर से today. And finally here also
Today.
Today. Something is missing, some bracket somewhere is missing. So just figure that out. Okay, equal sign is coming here. Okay. So I'm pasting it in the Zoom chat.
Okay.
Next question. Interesting question, Somesh.
Thank you. Thanks, Akhilesh.
Welcome.
Okay. I'm just dropping out because I have eye infection, so I'll join.
No problem.
See the recording. Thank you so much.
Sure. Next question.
Sir, I will share the screen.
Okay.
Sir, by the time he's sharing the screen, I just want to check. There was this ceiling and floor sheet that you shared. So I was practicing on that sheet. but the first row got error. So whenever I'm trying to put formula on the first line,
Okay.
with no result.
So
How?
let me finish this query from Sambhaji, and then we will see your screen also. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this sheet, I need to add another store. This is store IP, permission, OP, permission, all these tail stores, almost tail stores. I need this another store. If I try,
Right click 23, right click 23, the 23 row number,
yes,
not here. Yeah, right click there and insert.
no, actually the formula is not coming that. Means
Formula, you can drag it down, right? Type another store, you can drag it down formula.
the formula is, sir, is correlated here, sir. 1 minute. This stock and all this, you know. In a new store added this epic like for reference. 1 minute.
Show me the formulas first. Use control.
This one, like this figure in by default sharing on this figure. No need to change this.
Show me the formula here. PV report IPJ2. What is the next sheet? Next cell in this column, same column. PV report IP N101. Okay. Go down in any one column. Go down the next sheet. Next cell. Column C. Whatever you are showing the formula. This is PV report OP-J2. Next cell, down cell, ICU store J2.
Right.
And first one, C9, PV report IP-J2.
Right.
So the way you have written the formulas, they are all manual. Okay, and there is no pattern which you are following in terms of sheet names also. So you will have to link it only. Link the respective cells in the new store, and then you will connect.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
First of all, fill that, and after that, this same formula for IP and this another store with whatever housekeeping and all the store, right? Write down this cell.
So let's say you have entered the sheet, you have added the sheet already.
No, suppose this one, this sheet, this is housekeeping sheet. Suppose in I need to add this in summary sheet.
Okay, go to row number 23 and type that store code, and then store name housekeeping. Store name housekeeping.
Okay, sir.
The problem is coming because you are not having the B column exactly matching with the sheet names. Otherwise, we could have automated it even further. Okay. Now look at this formula. You need O1, right? If you type any cell, upper cell, select any upper cell, you are fetching J2. So you need J2 from housekeeping. So either you copy paste this particular link, whatever is written in the current formula, and then change the PV report J2, not like this. Now it has become J16 because there was no dollar.
Okay.
There was no dollar involved in that. So you have to copy from the formula bar.
Okay.
Don't copy directly, copy it from the formula bar.
This one I need to copy.
Yeah, but from cell C9, not from here. This is already wrong, right? This is the one which we are changing.
C9, okay.
Escape, press escape. I would suggest that link it manually. That would be even easier for you right now. There are only 5 to 7 cells, and it is easily manageable.
Okay, sir, understood.
But if column B, if you type it exactly as the sheet names, then there is a function known as indirect, and that can help you fetch these values. So you will write one single formula, and then you can drag it down. all the sheet will follow that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Komal. Who was that? Was it Komal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'll-
Batai. You
Yeah,
can
yes.
share your screen. Okay.
Yeah. So, sir, so my battery is running low. I'll quickly just type in the formula here.
So what do you want to achieve?
Sir, I
First,
just want
understand.
that whenever the formula goes wrong, my sheet stop working because I don't know how to overcome that formula.
Right,
So
but what do you
equal,
want to achieve using this? So
sir,
5621 is the random number. Okay. It's a very random number, but we don't want to track our sales amount on that level, that it was 21, 22, 23. We are saying, let's create a range. Okay. And make it in the multiples of 50 or 51 or 100, because that's easy to remember. What was the price? Okay. I will say 5600 or 5650
yes.
or 5700. That is easy to remember. So rather than going for each rupee, we are focusing on the landmarks, rounding offs, rounding numbers. Okay. Now comes what rounding number you would like to have. So that you need to decide. Okay. 51 is not a correct rounding number, but you can use it. That also works.
Sir,
So
I
you
did not use it. I was just practicing on your sheet.
were
I don't
just
know
moving
where
it.
did
You
it
were just
came
dragging
from.
it toward right side, and that's how it happened, right?
Maybe, sir.
Press and delete. Just press delete key.
So not happening.
Okay. Something is locked somewhere. I think you have opened it in read-only mode. I will explain it in my sheet.
Sir, the problem is that I'm very bad with Excel. I'm just trying to
Okay.
now if
Unless you stop saying that, you will not become good at Excel. Okay.
yes, sir.
First, accept that you are ready to learn. Okay. Doesn't matter how bad you are. Now, look at this. Let's say I have purchased a shirt for 523 rupees. And there is another shirt which I have purchased for 764 rupees. Okay. Now, if I have to tell it to, let's say, my parents or my spouse, whoever I am interested to share this information, कि shirt कितने का आया? How much is it costing? So you will not exactly say 523. You will say maybe 500, you will say 550, something like that, right? Or you will say 525. You have your mind trained in multiples of some numbers, maybe multiples of 100, maybe multiples of 50, maybe multiples of 25, right? So you will always focus your communication in that language. And that is the role of this floor and ceiling function. So how does it work? If I want, let's say, multiples of 50, and I want the upper multiple, if it is 523, I want 550, not 500. I want to say the upper one, or maybe the lower one. It's up to you. But if you are looking for multiples which are on higher side, then you will use ceiling, because ceiling is upper side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to get lower multiple, then the floor. Okay. So I will give you both results, equal and let's say ceiling, because that looks toward the top. Next one of this number. But in what way? What is your unit of multiple? Maybe I will say in terms of 50, every 50, I need to stop. So it gives me 550. If I say, nahi, mujhe, I want the lower multiple. So then you need to use floor function, because that will reduce it down to the next multiple of 50. And it gives me 500.
Got it, sir. Sir, but just in case if this cell gets wrong somewhere, how to escape? I mean, let's say यहाँ पे हमने formula लगाया और आंसर सही नहीं आया और
ठीक है।
फिर हमें उससे एग्जिट करके दोबारा से उस शीट को नॉर्मल उस पे ले आना है, देन आई मीन हाउ टू गो बैक टू द सेम
No.
कंफ्यूजन.
So ठीक है, if something goes wrong, press escape key, top right key जो होता है,
Yes,
escape
sir.
key, press that one, and you will come out of the formula mode. Why I always tell about escape? If I am here and I've selected maybe something rather than this, I've selected something else. So I don't want to disturb whatever it was. I want to reach to that state, and pressing escape will make sure that it is coming back to the previous situation before you started entering or typing something. So that's the role of escape. But let's say the current situation, you are already out of the formula mode or entering mode, and that is itself is wrong. So no problem. Go to that sheet and press delete. It will erase the content of that particular cell. And then restart your formula again. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Next question. Next question. Is someone typing in chat box or?
No, sir. Good evening.
Okay.
Sir, am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible. Loud
Sir,
and clear.
yes, I have some couple of questions in which is regards to my data set, but unfortunately, I am facing some technical issues, so I'm not able to share the data as of now. So I would share my data in the next session, sir, because I'm not able to open my file at all, which I transferred from my my official mail ID to.
You can share it on the WhatsApp group if you
Okay.
get of it, or you can ask the question in the next week.
Yeah.
That's fine. Next. Next question. अगला सवाल किसका है? नहीं है तो चलते हैं घर. Rekha, I think everyone has interacted. Rekha has not interacted today. Rekha and Anurag and Kumar.
Yes, sir.
All good?
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Neelam, I've shared you an email. You can just write an email to that and they will provide you whatever is needed. I guess there's no other question pending. Okay, so we have Ram Gopal who will take next session on advanced filtering. Very good, Ram Gopal. Okay, okay, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for joining the session. And keep asking more and more questions. Don't wait for the doubt session. Doubt session, you will be able to share your screen and ask me face to face. But use the WhatsApp group which you are part of and ask these questions before coming here itself. Try to manage your practice files or sample files based on which your questions are dependent so that we can give you a better answer. Otherwise, sab hawa hawa mein baat karenge, right? And you will not get understood. You will, in pressure, you will say, yes, yes, okay, sir, I understood. But it will not work. So sample files are very, very important. Okay? See you next week. One last chance. Any other question? Ranga, anything?
Yeah, nothing.
Okay.
So,
Good night.
yeah, yeah. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
But this Sunday class is there, no?
Yes, it will be there. Last time Shweta was not feeling well, so that's why we need to postpone it. But this time it is fine. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Komal.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
everyone.